Hey everyone, I wanted to come on here and just finish up my makeup using my monthly bundle, which is the Flawless 4. I know most of you probably already know what that is. So here is my favorite foundation to save on time. And yeah, I've already done my eyes, my brows, just went with a super light neutral little pink, and I've already applied my primer and also a little bit of concealer around my eyes just so I could do my eyes. Next up, I'm applying our Touch liquid foundation. I always put a few drops on my hands so it'll get to temperature of my body, and then I'll just dab some drops here. And my little comedian there who went ahead and dabbed. So I just applied little dabs of product here and there, and I'm just going to work it in with this dense liquid foundation brush. There we go. You can already see a huge difference. The coverage is great and kind of just made my whole skin tone more uniform. Now that the liquid foundation is on, I'm going to set certain areas with this translucent powder, which is one of the options in this month's special, and I usually do like my T-zone with this. This sets your makeup for the entire day. Because I'm feeling so pale these days, I'm going to add a little bit of bronzer in some key areas. So along my hairline, I also added some bronzer here along my cheekbone, and I'll do the same on the other side. And I hope the lighting doesn't go bad. Basically, I just go along here, kind of blend it up in my hairline. Next up, a little bit of blush. This is a little pink color with a little bit of highlight in it on the apples of my cheeks. All right, so here's a little close-up. I think I was far away earlier. I've got my bronzer, my blush, and I just used this tinted lip balm as for my lips today because I have dry lips, so no lipstick today. To lock in this look, seal in this foundation, I'm finishing off with our Behold setting spray, which is one of the options in this month's bundle. So so that's it for this look. Ladies, the Flawless 4 has been around for many years, and it's super popular for obvious reasons. Don't wait to snag yours. There's a special option for an add-on in this bundle. So if you've already tried and you already love the Touch Liquid Foundation, 2 days ago they released this same line but in a stick foundation. So it's more of a powdery cream, and the coverage is amazing. Mine is on its way and I can't wait to try it out. Until a few days ago, I had no clue what a Kabuki brush was, and now I do, and mine is on its way. I can't wait to get it. It's perfect for buffing foundation products. Yeah, so thanks everyone for watching. And lastly, there's only so much that dry shampoo can do, so it's a turban headband for today because I don't have time to do anything with this wild mane. So thanks for watching, everyone. Ciao!